Hello my friends, Betty here with Carblessly Delicious. Today I'm going to show you how to bake your chicken thighs to a perfection, sear to a golden crisp on the outside, while tender and so moist in the inside. Plated with these tasty turnips and green beans, a complete quick and easy meal, ideal for a typical weeknight. Alright my friends, meet me in the kitchen. Let's go! Videos are uploaded every week sharing quick and easy low-carb recipes such as this to inspire you to eat healthy, transforming many of the tasty dishes that you love while reducing the high carbs. Don't miss out on upcoming videos. Subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so that you can be inspired to eat healthy. Also guys, please give this video a like, comment, and share. As always, my friends, all the ingredients used in this recipe is provided for you in the description. Here, I'm blending equal parts of my spices to create a delicious rub for our chicken, all-purpose spice seasoning, my favorite Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and turmeric. Gotta have my turmeric, guys. For one, it adds such a nice golden tint to the chicken, but most of all, I love it because it's a natural anti-inflammatory, helping reduce inflammation and bloating, and it's an antioxidant, guys, which boosts your immune system. So guys, make sure you incorporate plenty of this powerful spice into your dishes as much as possible to build up your resistance against infections and diseases. We're going to use avocado oil because of its high smoke point to coat the bottom of our frying pan. Yes guys, we're going to sear both sides of our chicken before it goes into the oven just to lightly brown the surface, creating a tasty crust on the outside. Otherwise, the oven will soften your skin and make it somewhat soggy. Also, it helps lock in the moisture so the chicken doesn't dry out in the oven. Two things we don't want, guys. We don't want to overcook the inside of the chicken and dry it out, waiting on the skin to brown on the outside. Oh no. And we certainly don't want to brown the outside too soon while the chicken is not quite done in the inside. We're going to cover with foil and pop these babies into our preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes, heated at 375 degrees. Of course, you guys know, if you're pursuing a low-carb lifestyle, or if you just want to become more health conscious of what you're eating, then we have to shy away from potatoes, primarily because of their high starch and carb content. But the good news is these turnips are very low in carbs and taste so much like potatoes. The conversion won't be as difficult as you think. Coat your frying pan with avocado oil. We want to make sure our cubes are cut in equal sizes so they'll cook at an even pace. We're going to use the exact same spices we used on our chicken. We're just going to keep this flavor consistent throughout. Don't you just love the simplicity of cooking? Oh yeah, we're going to keep it simple. This is so ideal for those laid back moments when you just want to get in and out of the kitchen. Yeah, one of those nights. Cover, let simmer over medium-low heat. Meanwhile, we need to remove the foil from our chicken and replace it back into the oven under the broiler for 2 to 4 minutes, just long enough to finalize the crisp on the top. Let's dice up some fresh parsley to garnish over the top of our turnips, and we are ready to plate up. Let's get dinner served. Chicken has been around for centuries, guys, and has been a delicious staple at our dinner tables practically all of our lives. So I don't have to convince you how delicious and tasty these thighs are. You already know. So the next time you're serving up your famous chicken dishes, try plating it with some of these delicious turnips and kick those potatoes and carbs to the curb, honey, so that you can eat good, feel great, and live your best life. Be blessed and stay healthy, my awesome friends. New videos are uploaded weekly, inspiring you with healthy alternatives to enjoy. If you haven't already, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell because I have some awesome recipes coming up and I don't want you to miss it. Peace and blessings to all of my subscribers. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.